Hello, this is Shep and Nick. We've got our 1960 MGA up on the rack, so just taking some videos under here, some photos. Call me or Nick for the link to that, or we'll send it to you via email. But jumping in under here, real clean metal. You've got a replaced tank. This is the one that had a restoration, but it wasn't a rotisserie restoration, just for the overall solid condition that it was in, and so it was a body on restoration. That wood's in really good shape on the underside, no swelling. Frame rails are in good shape. So you're seeing patina there, but there's no cancerous pinhole rusting of any sort going on. You just got the years on that frame showing up on that frame, but really tight under here. Drums in back, discs up front. And speaking of those rear drums, going back there, all of your seals are tight, not leaking any oil out of those drums. So those drum seals are in good shape. Transmission, really clean. Oil pan, very nice. You know, it's an MG, so there's bound to be a leak somewhere, but this one is not gushing. All of your axle boots are in great shape. So just a quick look on the underside here. Very solid car. One issue we did see, and my body guy's gonna stop by and take a look, is you've got some paint cracking, really thin layer of Bondo there, and that's just gonna keep peeling out. So I think we just take that down to bare metal, and then that Bondo didn't adhere. So the metal's good underneath that. We don't have any rust growing, so we'll be able to go down to bare metal again, patch and paint. And there's a portion under here that's doing it as well, to where just the Bondo did not adhere and bond. But really good metal. It's a bummer that happened. You can see the primer, that red underneath there. So no rust underneath there, but just a bad adhesion. And so note that's in the condition. You can talk to Nick or I, and we'll let you know if that's been fully fixed or not. So Shep here, Sun Valley Auto Club, 208-721-1973.
Or you can reach out to Nick at 563-676-8225. All right, thanks for watching.